स्वागत है आपका हमारे ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल एमएच क्रिएटिव पे। हम आपके लिए लेके आ रहे हैं एक इंटरव्यू सीरीज जहां पर हम डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री के एक्सपर्ट्स को बात करेंगे, उनसे जानेंगे कि ग्राउंड रियलिटी क्या है। आज के हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं जो 23 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस रियल एस्टेट में रखते हैं और एक डायनामिक पर्सनालिटी है। आइए वेलकम करते हैं स्पेस लिंक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के डायरेक्टर मिस्टर मोहम्मद हिदायत का। अस्सलाम वालेकुम हिदायत भाई।
वालेकुम सलाम मुशीद, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू सर?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह का एहसान है। आई एम आल्सो
हाँ,
डूइंग ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच मुशीद।
पहले तो आपका स्वागत है हमारे ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल एमएच क्रिएटिव पे एंड वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू दैट यू हैव एक्सेप्टेड आवर इनवाइट टू गिव एन इंटरव्यू।
You're most welcome मुशीद। I am also glad and happy. You are a wonderful person. I am also happy that you're taking my feedback about the industry.
थैंक यू भाई। मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे ये है कि आप पर्सनली किस तरीके से हैंडल कर रहे हैं पेंडेमिक को?
Mushid, pandemic is very unfortunate. It is very unfortunate for everybody, not only real estate segment, lot of other segments is also hit very badly. Industry, real estate industry is also a bad hit, but I'm a very optimistic person. मैं बहुत पॉजिटिव सोचता हूँ। जो किसी के लिए परेशानी है वो किसी के लिए फायदा हो सकता है। So for me, I have been looking very positive. I've been talking to a lot of my investors and asking them to invest money in real estate because this is the high time for people to buy any property, and this is the high time for people who have bought properties to liquidate properties and do something else as well.
तो इंडस्ट्री को आप बहुत करीब से जानते हैं। मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि किस तरीके से रियल एस्टेट के ऊपर लॉकडाउन इफेक्ट किया है।
So, when pandemic, as I said, was an unfortunate situation for everybody, how do we make utilize of this situation in a positive manner? How do we build ourselves to the next level? How do we earn money? How do we make advantage of real estate business into this time as well? So there is a lot of thought process is being going on between me and my other fellow realtors, and we've been talking. So we have been very positive and optimistic about it. We, alhamdulillah, though we are not doing very great business, but we are educating people as well to. But we have realized over a period of time कि real estate ही एक ही जगह है, घर, मकान, फ्लैट या अपार्टमेंट, कोई भी जगह ले लो आप. This is the time where a person has to live. घर ही उसका final destination होता है. So the lockdown situation was made very clear by and large for the people that yes, you need to have your own property at any point of time. A property of yours is only going to save your health. प्रॉपर्टी एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे भी आपको बचा सकती है. So this is what we have realized. So that is how we have been educating everybody to either buy a property at the earliest, and this is the high time because the prices, builders are giving very good amount of discount. Sellers are also getting. Market is not crashed. Real estate market never crashes according to me.
तो आप इंडस्ट्री का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट हो, तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि लॉकडाउन किस तरीके से आपके रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री को इफेक्ट किया है?
मुझे काफी सारा इफेक्ट पड़ा है सारे इंडस्ट्रीज में, एंड स्पेशली इफ आई हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट रियल एस्टेट, यस, हमारे लोगों, हमारी कम्युनिटी में भी, हमारी फ्रेटर्निटी में भी बहुत सारे लोगों को जॉब्स का डाउन होना पड़ा है. द रीजन इज बिकॉज any builder who's going to run an industry, it is a big empire for him to run, और उसके लिए he has to have fields in order to continue his empire to run. So apparently over a period of time we have seen the fields have been come down, but on the other way, builders are giving a lot of advantages, builders are giving a lot of discounts to the buyers. That is how they are able to survive. I personally don't encourage shutting down the jobs because people who work for us have given the industry, who have worked for us have given their time, their energy for us, and we, for the next 6 months at least, we have to survive with these people. Jobs cut down is what I would recommend or prefer to do it. Yes, हमारा भी सिचुएशन खराब है. वी हैव टू आल्सो run our company, run our show. We have to pay rents and all those stuff. But what we are trying to do is we are just trying to cut down on the uh, salaries of our employees. जिनको हम लोग 50,000 रुपए दे रहे थे, we have requested them to work for about 25,000 rupees for the next about 6 months at least, so that after 6 months when things are getting better, we will try to again improve for 50,000 rupees.
तो इसी से मिलता जुलता सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, लॉकडाउन की वजह से बहुत सारे कंपनीज ने जॉब कट डाउन कर दिए हैं, यहाँ तक कि एमएनसीज ने भी जॉब से एम्प्लॉयज को निकाला है, तो इसके बारे में आपका टेक क्या है?
मुझे काफी सारा इफेक्ट पड़ा है सारे इंडस्ट्रीज में, एंड स्पेशली इफ आई हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट रियल एस्टेट. यस, हमारे लोगों, हमारी कम्युनिटी में भी, हमारी फ्रेटर्निटी में भी बहुत सारे लोगों को जॉब्स का डाउन होना पड़ा है. द रीजन इज बिकॉज any builder who is going to run an industry, it is a big empire for him to run, और उसके लिए he has to have sales in order to continue his empire to run. So apparently over a period of time we have seen the sales have been come down.
The big companies still can survive, but जो मीडियम और स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, इनको बहुत बड़ा धक्का लगा है लॉकडाउन की वजह से.
See, basically, I agree with you. End of the day, money either for a developer or for a salaried man. So basically, होता क्या है? Like you said, big time builders can survive for the next 1 year. So big time builders are actually surviving, and they are trying to come out with a lot of discount for the buyers so that the sales can improve. And if the sales improve, again the money will roll out to them. If the money roll out to them, they can retain with the staff. And वो तो होता ही रहेगा. Then you have mid-size and small-size builders. Small-size builders का भी struggle बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा. They have no choice in cutting down the jobs, which apparently people have to also realize that, you know, when the proprietor is not making the money, when the company is not making the money, even the employees will can't make the money. So ये तो challenges आते ही हैं. Forget about real estate, with any segment to that matter. Automobiles we have seen a bad hit. Rest of the other things. So this is what one has to understand at this point of time, and have to survive with that savings, whatever savings that it is. Anybody who has intelligently maintained their savings in the last few years, they have to survive for some time with the savings, and then get back to job after the pandemic comes out.
क्या बायर्स के लिए कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी है इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान रियल एस्टेट को खरीदने में? आप जिसके पास पैसा है, जो खरीदना चाहते हैं, उनको क्या एडवाइस करना चाहेंगे?
See, for me, real estate is my passion. Real estate will never go down. We have never heard real estate selling about 25, 30,000 or 40,000 rupees of profit in the last few years that has happened. जब मैंने शुरू किया था, real estate was, we were talking about Indira Nagar, about 1500, 1800 या 2000 पे था prices. Today it is commanding a price of about 30,000 rupees. So over a period of time, yes, definitely whoever is going to buy today will be in benefit for the next few years. Number one. Number two, prices have been dropped with some apartments with some inventories. Apartments which were sold at X amount of, suppose about 1 crore of rupees about 4 or 5 years back. Today you can get the same apartment at about 1 crore, 1 crore 10 lakh. So that means the 5 years appreciation what somebody has made, can this present buyer can make in the next few years. So I always advise people, real estate is the best investment compared to any other investment in the world. Suppose you take automobiles, suppose you take stocks, suppose you take anything here, stocks, commodities, whatever you take. Real estate एक ऐसा चीज है जो you need not have to take care of the property. Property will take care of you. You need to, suppose you buy a land, you need to just go look after the land once in a while, once in a month, and come back. If you own an apartment, you need to just pay about few percentage of maintenance for the apartment to take care.
जैसे कि मैं आपको बहुत सालों से जानता हूं, यू ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट पीपल, तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं, अगर आपके बिजनेस सेंटिमेंट्स हर्ट ना हो, कि आप अपने कॉम्पिटिटर एजेंट्स को क्या एडवाइस करना चाहेंगे?
we have to work harder 10 times more than what we have been working harder. Yes, challenges are there. Challenges are there in every segment. So likewise, challenges are there in our segment as well. We need to be focused. There is no point moving away from this business because any business is not giving fruit today. So likewise, this business is also giving little fruit to us. Apparently, let us work hard, let us focus ourselves, let us be prepared how to keep positive minds in the buyer's mind. We need to, more than real estate, I prefer to educate people on buying real estate. So for me, it is not real estate. For me, it is education for real estate. We need to educate people why one has to buy property in real estate, why one has to buy a real estate, which is a safer segment. Over a period of time, your parents, my parents, we all have seen our parents have made money in real estate. The house which my father bought apparently about 30, 40 years ago for about 4 lakh rupees. We sold it recently for about 1 crore 20 lakh rupees. So this is a big money for anybody to keep in future. हमारे बच्चों के लिए, आपके बच्चों के लिए, किसी बच्चों के लिए. Real estate is only pattern which is going to save there. End of the day, our own house and we save that money and we stay there safe. That is what matters.
Thank you very much, Hidayat bhai, for sharing a lot of valuable information और बहुत सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर रोशनी डालने के लिए. I want to ask you a last question which is not the least कि एक इंडियन सिटीजन होने के नाते हम चुनी हुई सरकार से कुछ चीज़ें एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो हमारे बुरे वक्त में हमारा साथ देगी. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि इस पेंडेमिक में हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने क्या अच्छा किया है और क्या अच्छा कर रही है और आगे कैसे ये अच्छा करेगी. आपकी एडवाइस जानना चाहता हूँ.
I personally feel yes, the government is doing it the best of its ability to control things in order. Let us not talk about negative what government is doing. Let us talk about positive what government is doing. Government is taking care. Government is doing lockdown when it is required. Maybe some flaws are there. Let us not talk about it. As citizens of India, as citizens of Bangalore, what can we help other people to do this? Let us be safe. Let us have social distancing, which is very, very important. Let us help others, teach others, educate others how Corona works. Let us at least be hygienic. See, Corona has taught us one thing, that we have to be all hygienic. हाथ में लोशन लगा लो, हाथ में स्प्रे लगा लो, या जो भी आप करना है. Let us continue this. Government has been doing it their best job. Now it is our citizens' job. What is the citizen that? What is as citizens, loyal citizens of India that we can do it? Yes, we need to take care of ourselves as well. Only then the government will take care of us. So I think the government is doing it the best of its ability. थोड़े flaws तो हैं ही, वो कहीं पे भी रह सकते हैं. हम लोगों को as citizens we also have to get down into the industry and see what best we can do.
आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद इतनी सारी नॉलेज हमारे साथ शेयर करने के लिए. आखिरी में मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूं कि हमारे दोस्त यारों को हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए कह दीजिए.
Anybody who watches this channel, if they like our views, kindly share, subscribe, and tap the button. I think that's how one has to do.
It's always pleasure talking to you, Hidayat bhai. Thank you once again.